Hey, Magic Mirror, who's the fairest of them all?
Why, Shrek, of course.
Ew, Dad!
Ooh, Mama like.
Who's making this stuff?
Not me!
Whoa!
Shrek 5, starring Mike Myers, Eddie Murphy, Cameron Diaz, and Zendaya? Oh, damn. Only in theaters, Christmas 2026.